Hello?
Alright, he went in that front door there.
This one right here?
Yeah, with a chainsaw.
Okay.
Running chainsaw. He tried to cut that tree
He
down.
went into that door right there?
Yeah, that front entrance door.
How long ago did he go in there? Okay. Hey! Hey, what's going on with this guy?
I don't know, he came in here.
Hey, can you hold this door open?
Yes,
More police
please.
are coming.
1393.
Go ahead.
There's no answer at the call of business.
Hold that door open. Hold that door open.
I'm calling a cat.
10-4.
He went that way.
Units didn't come in. Can you step it up? Hey!
Inconvenience.
Hey! Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground. On the ground.
When you're there, someone B1 for St. Charles.
Get back. Hey, drop. Hey. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. One at taser point.
Oh my God.
Hey, drop it. I got one at taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it.
Subject in the front lobby.
You want me to leave? Yes.
Step it up.
I'm not leaving here when I'm not leaving. Where is she?
Step it up.
Where's my?
Drop it.
Dude, I just want my wife, man. I just want.
Listen, man.
I don't want to.
Taser up one. Taser. Hey. Hey, right here. He's right here.
Come on. Get him out. Come here. He's on the other side. Oh shit. All you gotta do. What the?
Shots fired.
Attention all Irish units. We're going to St. Charles.
Drop it! Get him over.
North Avenue in St. Charles. Attention all
Get him over.
special attention St. Charles units. Shotgun dispatching a shots fired at 975 Northwest Avenue. We're going to St. Charles. Responding yes, acknowledging ETA.
Here we go. Come on. Watch out. Move your. Hey, get out of here. Come on, buddy. Come here.
Gotcha.